You are the peace that guards my heart, my help in times of need. You are the hope that leads me on and bring me to my knees. For there I find you waiting. For there I find release. So with all my heart I worship, and unto you I sing. For you alone deserve all glory. For